who is the legitimate Senate President? Because hindi to away ng dalawang barkada. Ang lahat ng empleyado natin dito will have to decide on Monday. Do we follow the Philippine Constitution or the Constitution of the 11+1? Do we follow the Senate rules or do we follow the rules of the 11+1? Sabi sa akin ng isa kong kaibigan kaninang umaga, Chairman, sometimes you have to bend the Constitution to please Malacanang. I don't believe in that. Di ba? You can please Malacanang 1,000 ways, but don't bend the Philippine Constitution and our rules. And then of course, as I said, iba-iba kami ng religion dito. Lahat tayo may pinaniniwalaan word of God. Babalik tayo sa truth, no? So Mr. Chairman, I hope hindi tayo pigilan next week. And I have to apologize to you. Because kung walang issue dito, you would have been offered protection at least kung saan kayo pupunta dito. Diba? Having said that, Mr. President, ang news ngayon, Mr. Chairman, is that the President will call a special session. That's good. Because we announced it, alam na namin na minority na kami in terms of the number. Kasi nga, kinulong na nila si Senator Jinggoy, hindi pinayagan ang online voting sa senador, pero pinauwi lahat ng empleyado ngayon, mag-work from home na lang daw sila. So alam namin, napapalitan nyo kami sa committee, pero hindi nyo mapapalitan ng President kung hindi 13. So eto lang pakiusap ko sa Malacanang. Kumuha kayo ng isa pang senador para sa special session, bumaba na ako bilang Senate President para wala na tayong problema pare-pareho, pero para masunod yung konstitusyon. Kung pwede lang, Senator Amy, na bumaba ako today, Chairman, Senator Robin, gusto ko nang bumaba today as Senate President. Ang problema, I have a duty to the Filipino people and to the Philippine Constitution. Ang nakalagay, until your successor is elected. Hindi pa tayo nag-elect ng successor. So, OSAA, Secretariat, lahat ng empleyado, I'm sorry to put this on you. Not at the penalty of dismissal or cases. Hindi po ako ganun magtrabaho. Konsensya nyo. Alam nyo ang batas. Sino ang susundin nyo? Yung peke na acting Senate President o yung sinasabi ng ating konstitusyon?